So can you make money online watching 30-second ads? And if so, how much? Hey, what's up? Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I just watched a video like 20 minutes ago from a popular YouTuber. I believe her name is Odessa something, right? She just put out a video talking about making money online just by watching 30-second ads, right? So in the video, she was showing this website that pays people just for watching ads, and she did a little experiment to see how much money could you possibly make doing this, right? Just watching ads from your phone or your tablet, all right? So there's many sites out there, right, that, you know, pay you to watch ads, pay you to watch videos, all right? And most of them, they pay you piss, all right? Like, you don't make a lot of money doing this for most of these sites, but I still wanted to watch her video just to see like what was the site and how much did she make, you know, trying to watch ads, all right? So in the video, the site that she was talking about was a company called PaidWork, right? So when she said that name, I'm like, damn, I did hear about that site before. Don't know too much about it, but you know, I heard the name before. So she says, hey, you know, you sign up for PaidWork and you go to the section where it says, you know, watch ads or watch videos, whatever. So after her doing this and having like 2 other people doing it with her, it basically came out to be where if you were to do this service, right, watching these ads for 8 hours a day, all right, for 5 days out the week, I think she pretty much said you would get about $200 a month doing this. All right, $200 a month. Now, depending on who you are in your situation, either you might be like, ooh, wow, or you might be like, get the hell out of here. I ain't doing that. It's a waste of time, right? And honestly, if you really think about it, do you have any idea how dreadful that would be to do this type of work for 8 hours a day, just watching ads and just clicking on ads, just nonstop, right? Because you're only getting about, I believe, like 1 cent for every ad that you watch, and you have to manually click, you know, to get to the next video, right? Because a lot of people, when they hear these type of ways to make money, their first thought is, ooh, I could just set my phone on autoplay and just walk away from it and let it run all day, right? Nah. You can't do that, right? You ain't gonna be able to do that with this type of opportunity, right? So then she also said, if you were to, you know, do this 15 hours a day, so basically you ain't got no damn life and you broke as hell, right? You got 15 hours to be able to do this. She said you might end up earning around $400 a month. Are you serious? You ain't even gonna be able to spend that $400 because you're gonna be just mentally drained. You're gonna be depressed. You're like, if you do this 15 hours a day, stop it, right? Stop it, right? Ain't happening. And one thing to keep in mind about getting paid to watch ads is, even if you are the type of person that's like, yo, bruh, I can do this. You know what I'm saying? I got time. I'm very dedicated, right? I'm broke. I need this money. I can do this. I can do this 8 to 15 hours a day. Here's the problem, right? Here's the problem with this type of, you know, money-making method. You're not guaranteed to get consistent ads to watch for that long a time. And I'm pretty sure, I mean, you know, comment below if you try this. I guarantee you, I highly doubt that you can go an hour straight just watching ads and consistently being able to watch ad after ad after ad. I highly doubt it. I damn sure don't believe if you can get an hour. I'm sure you can't go 2 hours straight doing this because there's too many people doing this. It's probably not enough ads to go around for you to sit there and do this 8 to 15 hours a day. So with all that being said, getting paid to watch 30-second ads, can you make money? Yes. Is it worth your time? Absolutely not. right? I only would do this if you really love watching ads for some reason and you are just, now I don't even say dirt broke, but you're broke, but really you just need to earn like $5-10, you know what I'm saying, like here and there, right? Like you want to use this to like buy your coffee at the end of the month, right? That's it. All right. Now, if you want to check out one of the hottest online money making opportunities out right now and what I'm doing to make money online, you want to click the first link in the description of this video and take that Live Good tour.